Batch review starts from the case selection screen in Review and Transcripts. Once a case has been selected, a funnel appears on the left-hand side, showing the number of documents in the database, the number of documents in review, corresponding to the number of documents in review passes, shown on the right if applicable, and the number of documents produced. Once you see the review pass you wish to enter, click the white arrow on the right-hand side to open it up. Once the batch opens, we will either see the grid view, the document viewer, and the results grid displayed, or the form view, showing only the document viewer. The document viewer includes relationships, all document viewer tabs, and the coding form, including the needed fields and tag groups. To enter a comment on the coding form, select the applicable field and enter the needed comment. The tag palette found on the right-hand side of the coding form may have rules associated with it. The responsiveness tag group includes an exclusive rule here, meaning that only one tag in that group can be assigned to a document. To tag an item, select the appropriate radio button. If a mistake is made, click Undo in the bottom left. After selecting all applicable tags, you may realize that you need to redact a portion of a document due to privilege or HIPAA. Make sure the document has an image associated with it. If it doesn't, simply click the camera icon on the web viewer to render an image of the item. Then select the Image tab. Once there, select the needed redaction category from the drop-down. Then simply point, click, and drag the mouse over the applicable text to apply the redaction. To remove a redaction, click the orange X in the upper right corner of the redaction. Additional annotations can also be made here, including redact entire page, show hide redactions, and insert comments and highlights. After making all needed redactions, click Save and Next in the bottom right. To apply previous tags, simply click Apply Previous Tags. Click Save and Next in the bottom right to save the changes and move to the next document. The review status, which is displayed in the top of the coding form, will switch a document from not reviewed to reviewed if coding form changes are saved and all rules are met. Note the change to the review status as you move to the next item. If an item requires further review, place it on hold by selecting the radio button under Review Status. Then save the changes. Back at the results grid, we can toggle between not reviewed, reviewed, and all documents by selecting the drop-down in the upper right. Once review is complete, click the green check-in button in the upper right-hand corner. A dialog box will pop up asking that we confirm the check-in. An option also exists here to open the next available batch. Once we're all set, click Submit.